This is the 264th Taiku in the Babylonian Talmud. It is the Taiku for Tuesday, March 10th, 2026, which is Yom Shlishi, third day of the week, the 21st day of Adar of 5786. The Torah portion of the week is Vayakel Pekudei, the double Torah portion, and it is also Daf Yomi today is Menachot 58. The 264th Taiku, which means an unanswered or unresolved question in the Babylonian Talmud, is in Tractate Chulin 45b, according to the book called Taiku by Rabbi Aharon Yehoshua Pessin, and it is, we'll start with the words Amar Rabba Bar Bar Chana, Amar Rabbi Yehoshua ben Levi. That's Chulin 45b. Amar Rabba Bar Bar Chana, Rabbi Yehoshua ben Levi, Nitmarech pasul, nitmases pasul, Eizoi hamaracha, veizoi hamatmasa, hamaracha kol hanishpach, kekison, hamasmoso. Hamasmosa in parentheses, hamasmosa in brackets. Rabba Bar Chana says that Rabbi Yehoshua ben Levi says, if the spinal cord was liquefied, liquefied, wow, I wonder how that happens. I guess the animal has some condition where the spinal cord just became soft to the point of liquid, okay? That's what he says. If the spinal cord was liquefied, nitmarech, the animal is unfit for consumption. Even if it's softened, even if it's not liquid, but if it's just softened, the animal is unfit. It's a treifa. What is liquefaction and what is softening? Liquefaction is any case in which the nerve tissue becomes liquid, and if the membrane is punctured, it can pour out like water from a jug. Softening is any case in which the nerve tissue cannot stand upright on its own and sags when it is being supported. Okay? I guess both are not great. But anyway, boy Rav Yirmiyah, here's another Rav Yirmiyah Taiku. Yeah, I always mention, I think the Rav Yirmiyah and Rav Papa, they're like one of the tops in terms of Taikus. Anyway, boy Rav Yirmiyah, Eino Yachol Lama Bipnei Kavado Mai Taiku. Rabbi Yirmiyah raises a dilemma. In a case where the spinal cord became unusually heavy, such that it cannot stand upright due to its weight, but it's not softened or melting. So it can't stand. I'm not sure what kind of condition that would be, if that even exists, but he's saying if such a condition would exist, is that in the same category as this? What's the halacha? The Gemara says we don't know. It shall stand unresolved until the coming of the Messiah, son of David. Now, I did put another line here, so I might as well read it just because it's here. It says, Bei Rav Amri Nismases Pasul Nismazas Kasher Meser Rishon Elazar Omer Behema Nismazas Mocha Treifa He Nismazas Ismar. Okay. The Gemara responds, the question shall sound, okay, in the study hall they say, if the spinal cord softened due to disease, the animal is unfit for consumption, but if some of the tissue softened and was emptied from the spinal cord, the animal remains kosher. I guess if you just remove the soft tissue out and the rest is normal, it's kosher. The Gemara raises an objection, saying that Rabbi Elazar says an animal whose nerve tissue was emptied from the spinal cord is a treifa. The Gemara responds that version is incorrect. Whatever, yada yada. The point was, I'm not sure why. It's probably because if the Taiku comes and it's in the middle of a line with other Gemara, so I'll just include it just for hard to break it up, so I put it together. But basically, the 264th Taiku is Rabbi Yirmiyah's question of whether or not if the animal's spine became heavy and it can't stand upright because of its weight. I'm not sure what that looks like, but he wanted to say, is that comparable to softening or melting? Is it invalid or is it valid still? So we don't know. I guess if it really happened in real life, they would probably just say, or be machmir and just throw it out anyway. They'll say, since we don't know, we can't use it. That's probably what someone would say today. But there you have it. Taiku 264. We must wait for the Messiah, the son of David and the son of Joseph, to arrive. Elijah the prophet is said to give the answer. Why Elijah? Why not Messiah himself? Well, that's my own Taiku.